Okay, so this is the sideboard that I have ordered. It's in kind of like a high gloss white, and it has LED lights across this, so it's like a bar. If I can show you a demonstrate, that's it. So that's the demonstration. So you've got this like blue cool LED lights. I think the lamp will look lovely on there, and that's what's going to go in that corner underneath the black frame. So yeah, that's what I need to do up. Okay, so I've taken the unit out of the box. I clearly have a lovely set of instructions here and a load of tools here. I don't know what's in that, but yeah, I'm going to start working on this. I'm not going to film it because I just find that stressful, especially when I have to concentrate, do DIY. This is quite a big sideboard. I will need to concentrate. I've heard a lot of reviews, people saying it's very tricky to do. I don't want to make a mistake with the pressure of a camera. So, and also keep checking whether I've got storage. So I'm going to slowly put this lovely sideboard together because I don't want to make a mistake, and I'm sure that you want to see it, how it would look when it's done up. And I'll also give a review, obviously, after doing it, whether it was easy, whether it was hard, whether it was complicated. But yeah, I'm going to put this sideboard together now and yeah, just see how it looks. Okay, so that's me putting it together so far. I got the doors to do, the shelves to do, and the lights to do. Okay, so the LED lights look like this. You do get a remote control for them. I'm not sure whether they change colour, I'll show you that later, but it's working by USB, and I have to put this strip inside and above the top shelf. So here is the sideboard complete. I think it looks really, really nice. What I can say about it is that the instructions were pretty much straightforward. All the holes were in the right places, so it was easy to put together. A few of the, obviously the items were heavy, probably need 2 people. It was very tricky to put the doors in. That's one thing that I can say. Also, the little screws and everything weren't labelled, but you could tell from the picture which were the right screws to use, but it would have been better if that would have been labelled. Apart from that, the only thing, the fault that I can say is I didn't like the doors and the way that you put them in, because you have to screw them when it's already up, and it was difficult. I love the LED lights. They all change colour. That works perfectly, and that wasn't that difficult to put up. It looked like a headache at the beginning, but it was very simple, and yeah, and it really does look effective in the evenings, and you can change all of the colors. I didn't really know that that was possible. I thought it came in one color tone, but no, you've got all the different colors. You've got flash movement as well. You can higher it, you can lower it. You've got fade. You've got, yeah, it's like so much that you've got on that control. And I was really, really happy about that, because I know with some of them you didn't have a lot of choices, but yeah, with this one it's great. You've got a lot of storage in there as well, and you've got the option of shelves. You can adjust them, so there's 3 different ways you can adjust the shelves, or you can even take the shelves out if you've got something large and put the shelves in later. So yeah, I really like the sideboard, and yeah, I definitely recommend it. So I hope that you like the way it looks as well. But yeah, very simple to use. Okay, so I've got these moulds, and you can buy these from Amazon. Definitely put links down below. Excuse my hands with all paint, because as you know, I'm doing the paintings. I just wanted to quickly show you these. I have painted this one white, so that's what I'm going to do with this one as well, and I'm going to just stick them on the door here. I've bought these black handles from Amazon. As you can see, I had round ones before, and you can see the kind of shape there. I've polyfilled the holes in because I've bought a multi-purpose polyfiller. I'm gonna obviously gloss the door again so you can't see all of this.
I'm going to be sticking the mould here in the centre. I've also bought some black spears for the door, these cast iron ones. I really like them, the ones I put in the bathroom. I just think it looks more cottagey and give it the house a little bit of character, because this door is just a plain door. It's got no character, so I've put the black spears on here again with the black door handles, and I'm going to be putting this little mould in the center of the door here just to give the door some character. So there's something, your door doesn't have character, and I think that this, which is wet at the moment, but I'll show you with this one, although it's not white. So if I just put it in the center there, you can see, and then that would just come out as a white mould there, and obviously the door handles there, and I just think it will look really nice. And I'll show you obviously when I finish. The reason I bought two is because I have two doors in the living area, this door out into the hallway here. This is my door into the kitchen, and again I've done the same with that door, and I'm really happy with the look of it. So yeah, can't wait to just put, and again the mould will go something like this, and I'll paint that white. So I will be using the no nails to stick them on, and I just think it's a good way to change the look of your room. You can use it in any room, hallways, bedrooms, anything to give some character to your door if you don't have it. And my doors are not panelled, so I just want to give some character to the doors. So yeah, just wanted to show you that. Links down below. I've put this little, it was wood, and I've showed you that, and I've just painted it white, and I'm going to go over that when I do gloss the doors, because now within the walls are painted white, the doors look a bit, I don't know, like a kind of like a off-white, so I need to repaint those a brilliant white, and they will match the walls. So I'll do that, but I'm not in a rush to do that, but that will happen, and then that will get all glossed up as well, yeah, like I did in the bathroom. So
I do hope that you enjoyed this video today. I will definitely be putting links down for that sideboard if you are interested in something like that. It's very, very modern looking. I'm really happy with it. Something completely different for me, but really happy with everything. And it's got a lot of storage in there and a lot of ideas to play with. I'll also put the link down for the little mould as well for the doors. So yeah, so please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so you don't miss any more fabulous ideas. Stay safe and take care.